Welcome to Decorative, where we explore all things home decor and design. I'm Cora, and I'm so excited to take you on a journey today to breathe new life into vintage pieces with a French country twist. From dreamy upcycled furniture to timeless decor tips, this video will inspire you to create your own rustic, elegant oasis. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Decorative for more home decor inspiration, like this video if you love it, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Your support helps keep this community thriving. Now, let's get started. French country style is all about effortless elegance with a touch of rustic charm. It's where ornate details meet weathered finishes, creating a warm and inviting space that feels timeless and cozy. This design style incorporates soft, muted colors, natural materials like wood and stone, and delicate, vintage-inspired accents. Think of a farmhouse in Provence mixed with understated luxury, perfect for upcycling furniture into unique decor pieces. When selecting furniture to upcycle, look for pieces with good bones. Solid wood tables, chairs, and cabinets with interesting carvings or details work best. Don't be afraid of imperfections, they add character. Focus on the shape and structure, as these will be the foundation for your French country transformation. Before painting or staining, prep your furniture by cleaning it thoroughly. Use a mild soap and water solution to remove grime, and let it dry completely. Next, sand the surface lightly to smooth out rough spots and help the paint or stain adhere better. This step ensures your finished piece looks polished and professional. French country decor typically features soft and muted tones like creams, pale blues, gentle grays, and warm whites. These colors evoke a sense of calm and refinement. For a touch of contrast, consider incorporating deeper hues like navy, forest green, or charcoal, but keep them subtle to maintain the style's softness. One popular technique is chalk painting, which creates a matte, velvety finish perfect for vintage-inspired pieces. Use a soft brush to apply even strokes. Distressing is another key element. Gently sand edges and corners after painting to reveal the wood underneath, giving your piece a naturally aged look. For extra flair, consider adding stenciled patterns or hand-painted details like floral motifs. These touches capture the artistry of French country decor. Hardware can also make a big impact. Swap plain knobs or handles for ornate metal or ceramic ones to elevate your furniture's elegance. French country decor thrives on natural materials like wood, stone, and linen. Pair your upcycled furniture with woven baskets, wooden trays, and linen table runners for an authentic look. For a pop of texture, add elements like rattan chairs or sisal rugs. These materials blend beautifully with the rustic yet refined aesthetic. When styling, aim for a balance of practicality and beauty. For example, a vintage dresser can double as a console table, styled with books, candles, and a vase of fresh flowers. Layering is key. Combine items of varying heights and textures to create depth and interest, making each vignette feel curated and cozy. Anchor your space with a soft linen or tufted sofa, complemented by an upcycled coffee table with distressed detailing. Accent the room with vintage mirrors, antique-inspired clocks, and soft lighting like chandeliers or table lamps with fabric shades for a cozy ambience. Upcycled furniture can shine in the kitchen too. A vintage cabinet can become a charming pantry or display for your best dinnerware. Add rustic touches like wooden cutting boards, hanging pots, and fresh herbs in terracotta pots to tie the look together. In the bedroom, upcycled nightstands or a painted armoire can add a personal touch. Opt for soft bedding in muted tones and floral patterns to complete the look. For decor, choose elegant pieces like framed botanical prints, wrought iron accents, and layered curtains for a dreamy and restful space. Upcycling is not just stylish, it's sustainable. By giving old furniture new life, you reduce waste and promote eco-friendly living. Each piece you upcycle becomes a conversation starter, showcasing your creativity and commitment to sustainable home decor. Thank you so much for joining me today on Deco Diva. I hope you're feeling inspired to transform vintage furniture into stunning French country decor pieces for your home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your favorite tip or project idea in the comments. Until next time, stay creative and keep decorating.